Bubble sort means what? See, in bubble sort, each element it is compared with its the next adjacent element. Next adjacent element means what? For example, in a array, there are numbers. Suppose the that numbers like this. Okay, see. Yes, suppose numbers are 10, 8, then 5, 7, 15. Okay, suppose these are the numbers. Then in bubble sort, that each element it is compared with its adjacent element. 10 is compared with the 8 and check that if it is less than or the greater than. Okay, if first element is greater than the second element, then the interchange the value same way for then again second and third, third and fourth, fourth and fifth, and so on like this. Means here in the bubble sort, it is the comparison based sorting, that first element it is compared with the second element, second is compared with the third, and so on, and then accordingly the, the position of the elements, these are interchange. These are interchange means these elements, these are swap, exchange the elements. In this way it is performed. Now first see here, we will see example. Okay, then and how to solve this, because in exam also the numbers these are given and ask you have to arrange or sort these array elements. Suppose there is a array A having these 5 elements and you have to sort that by using the bubble sort technique, or you have to show the passes in the bubble sort. Yes, all of you have a pen and notebook with you. Yes, students? Yes or no? Okay. Now see here. What is this bubble sort and how many passes these are there in the bubble sort? See, first pass. Okay. Here there is a pass 1. Then in pass 1, here how many elements are there? Total 5 elements. See, we have to arrange this number 42, 33, then 23, 74 and 44. Okay. Now pass that first element, okay, is compared with the second element. Now this second element is 33, which is less than the first element, means we have to interchange that. Then now it becomes 33, 42. See, we are interchanging that. Then 23, 74, 44. Okay, then in the next iteration, second element is compared with the third element. Now it is 42 and 23. 23 is less than the 42, means you have to interchange the value. Now it becomes 33, 23, then 42, 74 and 44. Okay. In the next iteration, see here in the next iteration, that third element is compared with the fourth element, that is 42 and 74. Okay, 42 is less than the 74, hence it remains as it is. That is, now it become, if it is, see again, if the next element is less than the first element, then at that time you have to interchange that, otherwise it is not necessary to interchange. Okay, then 33, 23, and then again here it is 42, 74 and 44. Okay, now this In the next iteration, you have to compare this fourth element with the last element. Now fourth element 74 and 44. 44 is the less than the 74. Hence you have to interchange that, swap that. That is, now it becomes the 33, 23, 42, 44 and 74. Okay. This is your last element and this is the pass 1. See here in this way, means in pass 1 we will get here the whatever the last element. Then in pass 2, again how many that is such passes are there, we will see here. Pass 2. Okay, in second pass, now consider this sequence, that is the 33, 23, 42, 44 and 74. Okay. Now compare first number with the second number. First element with the second element. Now 23 is less than the 33. Okay. Then it becomes 23, 33, 42, 44 and 74. Okay. Now compare second element with the third element. 23, 33, 42. Okay, then 42 is greater than the 33, means it remains as it is. It is not necessary to interchange that. Then in next pass you have to compare third element with the fourth element. That is, now it becomes 23, 33, 42, 44 and 74. Again see here 44 is greater than the 42. Hence it is not necessary to interchange that element. Now we get the second last element. Here last element, now it is the second last element. Okay, then in this way that these are compared, means this is pass 1, then how many passes are there? Here see in pass 1 that there is one how, and again here two loops these are required. One is the outer loop and another one is the inner loop. Okay, see in outer loop we are first starting from the first element, then we are comparing first with the second, second with the third, third with the fourth, fourth with the fifth. This is your loop, outer loop. Again this next, that is, and in that outer loop we are comparing each and every element here. That is the inner loop, means outer loop we are executing n times. Okay, and inner loop we are executing n minus 1 times. Now what is n? Total number of elements. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. It indicates that there are, we can use the total, that means 5 passes are there. See here again, now this is pass 2. Okay, 23, 33, 42, 44, 74. Okay, then next pass 3. Okay, pass 3, consider this element in the second pass. 23, 33, 42, 44, 74. Here it is already sorted, but then see how these sequence are there, how these passes these are executing in the bubble sort, how these elements these are sorting in the bubble sort. Okay, 23 you have to compare with again 33. It remains the as it is, that is it becomes then again 23, 33, 42, 44, 74. Okay, why we need of this pass? Because pass will the same. Pass will the same means, okay, yes, here if we get this sorting elements, then again it is not necessary. We can break that loop. Okay, we will see another example also. Then you can easily understand that. See here, in this way, but it is executing that first, again, second and third. Means see in see here in the first pass that how many iterations total 1, 2, 3 means comparison. Here first time, second, third, fourth, fifth time means here total comparisons these are 5. Then in pass 4 total comparisons these are 4. Yes, in pass 3 total comparisons are 3. In pass 2 total comparisons are 2 and in pass 1 total comparisons are 1. Okay. In this way